Now the powers of 10, that is, the numbers that are the result of raising 10 to some exponent, turn out to be a really nice family of numbers to do arithmetic with. So we'd like to take a moment out to think about them. 10 to the 0 is just 1, just like any other number to the 0. 10 to the first power, right? As the power goes up, we're going to want to multiply by 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. 10 squared, multiply by 10 again. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 to the third, we'll want to multiply by 10 yet again. That's going to be 1,000. Right? In general, 10 to any whole number power is a 1 followed by that many zeros. So for example, we can assume that 10 to the 5th will be a 1 followed by 5 zeros, which is 100,000. Now going the other way, there are several ways we can think about this. We can just think divide by 10. Well, dividing by 10 is the same as multiplying by 1/10. But 1/10 is a decimal. This is the same as multiplying by 0.1. And this is the idea that we want to use here, multiplying by 0.1. Multiplying by 0.1 will just get us one more digit after the decimal point. Right, so 10 to the negative 1 will have 0.1, which we could think of as 1/10. 10 to the negative 2. Right, well, now we want 2 digits after the decimal point, 0.01, which we could think of as 1/100th. 10 to the negative 3, that's 0.001, which we could think of as 1,000th. Right, notice 1,000th is just 1 over 1,000. 10 to the negative third is just 1 over 10 to the third. But we can also think about these as these decimals. 10 to a negative integer power is a decimal with that many digits after the decimal point. The last digit is a 1 and the rest are zeros. So if we take 10 to the negative 7th, we'll want 7 digits after the decimal point, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 1. Right. So we have a total of 7 digits. Whereas if we took 10 to the 7th, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we would have 7 zeros. Remember, 10 to the 7th is 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 over 10 to the 7th. Right, so the 7 zeros in the denominator correspond to 7 digits after the decimal point. Right. Why do I make such a big deal about this? Because it's really easy to mess up on how many zeros we've got when we're writing these decimals. For the negative exponents, we're counting the digits after the decimal point, including the 1. For the positive exponents, we're counting just the zeros.